continue. Shadow Crystal, Sonic Bird, Shadow Crystal. Here we go, everyone. What is Shadow doing to us? Huh? What is he doing to us? Now what should we gonna do? We got him. No.
We need to talk to him. What's going on?
I don't know.
That's what we want to know. Why'd you attack us? Where's he?
Rose!
More annoying than usual.
We're not annoying.
This is making sense. First thing I remember, I was talking to
Lyric?
I knew this stinker was a
Whoa.
for the rotten reptile.
To reptile?
work for anyone.
What?
What is this?
Whoa.
This thing's scrapped now,
No.
but
It's clearly as a rat. You find that bitch. In my toy device. Lyric?
Dashed my device. Lyric.
Lyric! What are you aiming to, you spy freak?
Safe for the moment. We're having the most delightful conversation. Why don't you come here and face me?
What? Don't do that, Shadow.
Peeling back the layers of Amy's brain like a rotten onion.
A rotten onion?
She leads me to the
What?
crystal fragments. I'll have the power of a god, and I'll grind you all under my heel.
What?
you don't have a
Deal. You're a snake!
I'll hunt him down and make him pay for using me.
Shadow, wait! What?
I
What?
said I'd find you.
We got Lyric! Oh! Yay, we got Lyric! Bye, Lyric!
Man, I wanted to do that.
It doesn't mean it's done.
We all couldn't kick him out the airship, Amy. And you know why? No. Why?
Because,
we're a team.
yeah, we are.
Got beaten to the punch. Or in this case, the kick as a team. We can raise our heads proudly, knowing that we traveled all this way just to watch somebody else finish the job. When we walk down the streets and people whisper, those are the ones who couldn't quite save the day. Almost, but not quite. We'll smile together because we didn't do it as a team. I finally understand teamwork, and it's beautiful.
That was pathetic.
No, it's not.
It may have taken the long
Yeah.
way to get to the point.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
We're together.
Yeah.
Team, and I'm leaving alone.
Come your way.
As your superior. Too bad that guy is such a hard case. He'd be a great addition to Team Sonic.
Yeah.
Why don't you come here and face me?